Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by deciding what you need and why. Prioritize daily distance, passenger count, and whether water access matters. Once decided, inventory fixed constraints like budget, storage, and local regulations. Make sure to note fuel type and seasonal limitations. Next, immediately list purchase and ongoing costs to compare against benefits. Include insurance, mooring or parking, and maintenance frequency. Finally, map realistic routes, roads for the Corolla, launch points for the boat, so you know the practical feasibility. Now you evaluate how each performs in daily use. Measure Corolla fuel economy in MPG and typical range. Contrast that with boat liters per hour and usable hull range. Once done, compare maintenance complexity, timing belt or pads versus hull cleaning, anti-foul and engine flushing, and factor in parts cost and downtime. Also weigh required skills and safety gear. Make sure to include licensing, emergency equipment, and party size limits, because operational skills and legal requirements often decide the practical winner. To finish, total the 5 to 10-year ownership costs. Purchase price minus expected resale, plus insurance, storage or slip fees, and routine maintenance. Then rank each option by utility, daily flexibility, seasonal restrictions, cargo capacity, and resale value, and divide utility by cost to get a simple value score. Make your pick based on that score and prepare contingencies. If you run into problems, check funding for emergency repairs and verify local rules first, because most surprises stem from overlooked storage or legal requirements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.